Here's a micro SD card. I'm going to show you how to insert it into a Mission 1 Pro GoPro, and then once it's in, we're going to go ahead and format it. So first thing is go ahead and open up the battery case on this side right here. We're going to flip this lip up and then just swing the door back. We can pull out the battery, we can leave it in there, but it's easier if we just pull the battery out. And the SD card goes in that slot right there. Now I have a small 64 gigs here, but you can put up to 1 TB as long as it's a fast SD card. Okay, anyway, we're going to put the facing this way, just like that. And then you want to press in till it snaps in place. Okay, then once it's in there, we can go ahead and insert the battery. Close that up. Go ahead and power it up. And once it's up, you just want to slide down. And then we want to go left till you see preferences. Tap on preferences. And then from here, we're going to go all the way down to the very bottom. It says reset. Tap on reset. And the first one, it says format SD card. Okay, so we're going to tap right there. And we're going to format it. Don't forget, it's going to delete everything on this SD card if you have anything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and format. Voila, we're done. Pretty simple.